Into this world all alone.
How did you manage to fall asleep after your lawyer's call?
Evil?
There'll be someone watching you. Don't try to take them anywhere.
What are you gonna do?
I can't see anything right now. If I don't put some distance here, someone's gonna get hurt.
Are you going camping? What? To clear your mind? Oh, that new guy is watching her? Why would you assign the new guy? The guy you barely know. Wendy is enjoying her new old life. Look what you have done. You have ruined a perfectly fine carpet.
My trial's been moved up. Yeah, they caught me off the counter tomorrow.
Shit. That's a problem.
Yes, it is.
Up to you to solve it.
Just looking at lawyer resumes. He threatened Lowen and she told him everything.
What was she supposed to do?
Jack's got his information from Lowen. I really doubt he'd bother you.
I can't take that chance. I'm sorry.
You fucked up, Margaret. Like I knew you would.
Go stay with my sister in Sedona.
Bon voyage. You're losing allies. How does it feel to be alone? No lawyer, no Margaret, no Wendy.
Showed up this morning. Diosa del Sur Escorts and Massage, officially in business.
Wow, time to celebrate. What exactly is her role in this show? She hasn't really done anything.
I was gonna crash here for a few nights, if you don't mind.
Oh great, more fucking with Kim Dickens?
Got some truth about what happened with Tara. She was never pregnant. Tara set up my mom. Made it look like a miscarriage so that I would sign off on Gemma never becoming legal guardian of our sons.
Well, now Tara's isolation is perfect.
She doesn't know West. Might be better if she had a familiar face behind her.
That's what I thought.
I can watch you.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks. Well, yeah, man.
Why Jews? He's not himself lately.
Be careful with Clay.
I'll be fine. Be careful with the butcher of Belfast.
I'll try to stay in one piece.
See you later.
Oh, fuck off.
How long's he been dipping into that?
Hey, he's working out his mommy issues.
About you, Pimp Daddy. Spank that brown ass.
Be careful.
Yes, everyone be careful.
Irish will die before they get caught.
If this shit goes sideways, they're gonna blast a very bloody way out.
I don't want our last push out of guns to end in a pile of dead cops.
This would probably be messy and put even more pressure on the club.
Nothing sooner? No, I can't. I did. Okay, thanks. Just forget it.
Is she looking for a rehab? Sounded a bit like it. Or maybe just a new job, a new place, somewhere out of state.
No, you're in there, Wendy.
Yeah, she heard your call.
Are you high? No. I'm just trying to get on the other side of it now.
I hope you realize this happened because of you.
Everything I did was right.
Tara, I'm sorry.
You are not sorry. Do you know why you're not capable of being a mother? Because you're a coward. I'm I'm not afraid of them. Not anymore.
That's why you made up this entire plan behind their backs, because you're not afraid of them. Fuck off.
Shit!
Things that involve Jews just always fail by default.
That feels good.
They work even better in flesh.
What the fuck?
No! Chips! Don't!
Go! Go! Go!
That was just me letting you know how much you want your business, Jimmy.
Just kill this fucker.
Your partner knows how to close a sale.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
He also knows how to make enemies.
I think I better be the one to go look for Tara. I think you should check on Wendy.
You're hoping she's not going to run you over too?
Maybe I should go with you, talk to Wendy. Junkie to junkie.
Yeah, if you want.
Andres,
You don't even know her.
come on, Wayne. Get you in touch with your inner cholo.
I had that removed with my spleen. It's a little cancer humor.
Hey.
Don't make this worse.
Seems you misjudged everyone, darling. That's why you're all alone.
Get out of my house.
It's not your house.
Oh, what? You gonna run me over?
No, she's going to shoot you.
Thomas and Abel will not be raised by you. What you do now will determine how we deliver that message. Mommy moved away or Mommy passed away. Your call.
You're done. Just admit it to yourself.
I'll give you Galen O'Shea within the next 48 hours.
Can you be a little more specific?
I'll meet you tomorrow. Give you all the details. Can you prove your end?
Does tomorrow mean next episode?
Galen will have a large, well-armed crew. You're gonna need manpower, and lots of it. I'll tell you where and when to send them tomorrow.
Oh, don't send Teddy. He doesn't need to be caught in the crossfire.
Think she'll take the bait?
Depends what it is.
Okay, boys. Where to?
Oh, you will send her to the wrong location, huh? So you can break free Clay? Is that the plan? Oh. Oh, very convenient.
You know Gemma since she was like a kid, huh? She's crazier than she is now.
I guess.
This Wendy, she been clean for a while. Or...
Yeah.
Oh, drop your jealous act, Uncle Touchy.
No.
So I guess the cancer's eating away that part of your brain that can actually hold a conversation.
No. It's eating away at my patience for people I don't give a shit about.
Your cancer? It don't mean shit to me, man. I'm trying to make an effort here because I know how much Gemma loves you.
In the platonic way, sadly.
Thanks for making me feel like shit.
No problem, Holmes.
And now they're best friends. Oh, great.
Left side! Jump off!
How did that guy not hit anyone? Leave the street alone, dude. Stop shooting it. It has nothing done to you. How about you aim at the bikers?
you dead, I could have killed you 6 times already. Shut down the Irish pipeline, and my family take control over the guns in Northern California.
Northern California.
And you close the deal when you tell me where I can find Mr. Galen O'Shea and their guns. I need to even the score after what they did today.
This is really getting complicated now. He needs Galen alive for the DA. Probably wants him dead for himself. And now this guy wants him too.
I like the crazy looking one.
Get your hands off me!
Letting you take one of my guys.
Then I keep you?
I ain't harmed you!
No, you're not.
I'm cool, boss. You guys split. I'll chill with old Wang Chung.
I'm sure Happy will keep him entertained.
What are you doing here?
I always come to a hospital when someone runs me over.
Tell Jax I don't need a watchdog. Where is he?
I don't know.
Just tell me where he is, asshole.
He doesn't know, bitch. Oh, her attitude is unbearable.
Meeting with his partner, Colette. Let me get you the address.
Uh-huh.
No, kick. Right there.
All right.
I'm glad you were here.
Don't suck up to me now, Holmes.
Best friends. I want a Nero answer spin-off.
It's a letter of intent. Turn over assets to you. My FTM, house, bikes, whatever I got left in the bank.
Are you planning to die, Clay? Tell me now, because this is pretty obvious.
I hope it all turns out the way you want it.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. See you on the other side.
Yeah.
Great. He's dead. This made it pretty clear. Even the actors looked sadder than the characters should.
Make yourselves at home, gentlemen.
Go on, unwind. Tomorrow's a big one.
Time for you to unwind.
Time indeed. Tara's on her way.
Colette.
You know what? She's upstairs with a client right now, but if you want to have a seat and relax, I'll let you know as soon as she's done.
Thanks.
Don't leave her alone. She's going to go up.
Son of a bitch.
Tara! Tara!
Stupid piece of shit! Get off of me!
You have no right to act like this after what you have done.
Tara!
Stay away from me!
Oh, that's a mistake. Pointing a gun at him? Well, she's not really pointing. Best friends. Happy's doing his best to entertain them. Like I said. What bike is that? Is that supposed to be his father's?
It sounded very urgent, Dr. Nels.
Oh, are you here to sell out the club? That's actually her only option.
I just want to take care of my boys. I want them in witness protection.
I'm sorry. That deal's no longer on the table.
Galen is a bigger fish than you.
If you fear for the safety of you and your boys, I can help.
No, you can't.
She could actually.
Nobody can help me.
Tara, you're not Rambo.